Hi, it's me, Pam Vanny, and I am going to share some products that I received to review. And I don't know how to pronounce it exactly. It is Globleland, and I will put the link in the description. So they sent me some items. I got to pick some things out. So I'm going to do this little unboxing. And what I got a couple. I got 4 stamps and a die. And then I will show you these, how I stamp them and everything later. This one that is the number. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description. And this is a really fun die. It's a stamp. But isn't it pretty? I love the fox. I love the bunnies, of course. The leaves, the bird, mushrooms, the stump. And you could use these in stamps. And then a cute squirrel. Warm winter wishes. I like the acorn and the owl. So cute. So I will do some projects with that. So there's that one. And then, right now I'm just doing the unboxing. And here will be the next stamp set. And this one is a cute fairy stamp. She's sitting on a mushroom. Believe in the magic. And then more little mushroom stamps, a butterfly. Make a wish. Another butterfly. And then we have a fairy. Some pumpkins. And look at the cool. Let me see if it makes any difference if I take it out of this package. There may still be a glare. Let's see here. Maybe a little better. But I will demonstrate them. The little banner with stars, the fairy with the pumpkins, and that cute little fairy house or gnome house, the mushroom. So there's that one. Then here is another one. Stamp. This one is a stamp here. And this is really pretty. Like sunflowers. Isn't that pretty there? Petals, leaves, stem. So you can design the flower like you want. And I love the watering can. I thought that'd be really pretty to work with. And then I have one more stamp. The next video I will show how I will use it. There's that stamp. I'll put everything in the description box. This is really cute. It's got lots of little animals. Look at that little bunny with the heart balloons, bird, flower, hedgehogs. Look at that one. Cute bunnies, hearts, mushrooms. So that will be fun. Then the last one are these cutting dies. And I want to do a mermaid journal at some point. Right now I'm working on 3 binder journals. 2 that I had started, and one I thought, well, I might as well do another one since I had the binder. Look right here. So I'm doing a couple of these cookbook binders. And this one says Globleland cutting dies. Here is the number. This will be really fun because you could have these little windows, you know, for a mermaid or ocean theme. Here's a porthole, and then there's different fish. Then you have jellyfish, seaweed, or squid, whatever that is. And then you have this little die with fish and a shell. Look at the little fish around it. So that'll be really fun to work with too. So I just thought I would show you the unboxing today. And I will show how they were used shortly. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.